Good afternoon, YouTube. Today we've got another episode of Dad Tips. Today's episode is cleaning gutters. Yeah, fun, right? Well, it's fall. We're gonna have snow soon. It's time to get the gutters clean. So my personal favorite technique for cleaning gutters is to actually climb up onto the roof with a hose and kind of walk down the edge and push all the crap down to one end, then squat down and pick it out of the top of the gutter and throw it out, squirt water down the downspout and get rid of it. I got the drone up in the sky. It's gonna follow me. You know, if I fall off the roof, that might be funny to see. And I threw on a tutu that I found on my back porch. I'll wear that while cleaning gutters too, because how many times do you get to see a guy cleaning gutters wearing a tutu? All right, so my first tip for you though is about ladder safety. I went to the fire academy before I decided that being a firefighter wasn't the job for me, so I did learn a couple things about ladders. When you're positioning a ladder, a good way to learn if it's at a safe, proper angle is to stand with your feet touching the ladder, and reach out with your hands with your arms locked out, and if they touch the ladder, that's a good proper angle for the ladder to be at. It's not too steep, it's not too shallow. So there is another good tip for you on ladder safety. All right, I got me a good nozzle on my hose, got my ladder. I live in a nice simple ranch house, so my roof isn't very steep, and actually these gutters, considering they haven't been cleaned in a long time, they are not bad at all. There's no leaves in them. I'll bet it's been a year since I cleaned them. Anyway, come over here, make sure I pull a lot of hose up so I got some slack. All right, so we get down here in the corner and we notice that got a lot of dirt. The hole for the downspout is actually completely clogged. So I'm gonna try blasting that out with the hose. See if I can get it to unclog. There's a lot of dirt inside the downspout. Well, all right, it's pretty clogged. I'm actually gonna have to get a tool, it looks like, and shove it down the downspout to break up the whatever's clogging it down there. All right, well, that downspout's pretty clogged up. So in order to unclog that, I'm gonna have to find something stiff but flexible to shove down there and try to clean it out. I might be able to use the same brush that I used for the cleaning out the refrigerator coils. So that might be handy. Let's move on to a different downspout first while I'm up here before I go get a tool. All right. My hose must be kinked, because of course it is. All right. Okay, so my technique is I just like to start at one end, kind of blast on down towards the downspout. Push it all down. Look down at the bottom, make sure it's flowing clear, which it is. And that gutter and downspout is clean. Move over to the back side. All right, that downspout is flowing clean. So if you can just keep the dirt and stuff moving in one direction, you can push it all towards the downspout and hopefully get it all to go down the downspout. Okay, back gutter's clean. Now I gotta go get a tool. All right, got the back gutter clean, got the front gutters clogged up. I gotta go get a tool so I can shove down the downspout so that I can try to clear out that downspout and push all the crap towards the downspout and clean it out. It's always advised to climb a ladder carrying a remote control for a drone and a brush, you know, safety, right? And I got me this brush. I'm gonna shove it down the downspout hole. There it goes. I just heard it splash out at the bottom, and all that dirt and mud that was collected in there just flowed on down. So now we can go ahead and stick the hose down there. You know why I'm wearing a tutu, honey? Because how many times in your life do you see a man wearing a tutu cleaning gutters with a drone following him? I just explained. Because how many times in your life do you see a man wearing a tutu cleaning gutters with a drone following him? Girls,
hi. Yeah?
I got a question for you.
What?
If you were wearing a tutu and you had a really big butt, what would it be called?
Butt?
Nope.
Butt too?
Any more guesses? What would a tutu be called if you had a really big butt?
I don't know.
You ready for the dad joke punchline?
What?
A 4-4. Ah!
You're insane!
And that, my friends, is how you clean gutters wearing a tutu using a drone to follow you. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.